Hi, today I'll show you how an app called QuickMemoryTestOK works. In case your PC often freezes and is overall unstable, it is possible that there is a problem with the RAM memory. Considering that installed memory is relatively sensitive, it is a good idea to run a test for errors. QuickMemoryTestOK is a lightweight app designed to help you test your RAM and make sure there are no bad areas. According to its developer, the tool can also be used to examine your PC's behavior under high memory usage and determine whether this is causing system errors. The app comes with a clean and intuitive interface that shows many details about the RAM installed on your system. Then, you can find out the memory type and channels along with the kernel, physical memory, and commit cost for each installed RAM stick. You can start by selecting the number of cycles the app should run and then pressing the Start Test button located in the top left area. The default Quick Memory Test setting appears by default, but you'll be happy to learn that the tool allows you to run custom tests. Additionally, you can pause and resume the test to see how your computer performs under different memory loads. While it's true that RAM is rarely faulty to the point of creating random crashes and system errors, it doesn't hurt to double-check and eliminate this as a potential cause. Regardless of whether you have purchased a new PC and want to ensure that you do not experience memory problems in the future, or perhaps you want to evaluate how your system behaves under high memory usage, QuickMemoryTestOK could come in handy. See you next video, and now some music.
Thank you.